got some nifty door pulls for all the kitchen cabinets and bedroom. And then we've got these cool, what I just learned are traveler stone handles for the doors, drawers above the area up there. And they are supposedly good luck for travelers. And that's what this bus is going to be doing a lot of. So it's pretty cool, and you will get to see those when they're up. Okay, so we've got our cool traveler stones in here, as you can see. And then we've got the leather handles on the sliding door here. I'll take you over to the kitchen as well, where we've added all of our leather pulls, which are nice. And up on the top here too, we've got some more traveler stones that are also cool. You get a little light through them and they turn green. So that's the gist there. I gotta add some magnetic holders to these cabinets, and probably a latch to the remaining ones back there too. So I'm gonna do that next. Okay, so we got everything on here. We got our handle on the back here for opening and closing this gate. We got our latches for our drawers here. Got the handles on the drawers as well. So these guys will stay in place when we're driving around. I'm gonna lock them up for now. But it's looking good. I'm excited. We're getting really close.